Hello, my name is Germán Muñoz. This is the chart number 1. Unit 1 for going on trip. Example practice 7. Chart number 1. 1. Verb with impasse which. 2. Verb sip impasse sip. 3. Verb pack impacts pack. 4. Verb punch impacts punch. 5. Verb pitch impacts pinch. 6. Verb finish impacts finish. 7. Verb punch impacts punch. 8. Verb fakes impacts fakes. 9. Verb neck impacts neck. 10. Verb mac impacts mac. 11. Verb smack impacts smack. 12. Verb peak impacts peak. 13. Verb smacked impacts smacks. 14. Verb stop impacts stop. Finish. 15. Verb with impacts wins. Thank you.